Hello guys. I think this is the first video. Unless Uzi's making one right now. I told him to make one and then I got off, but I was able to have a little bit more time. So yeah, I'm going to finally show you guys how to make a brand new project because all those other things are so outdated and may not work. So that's why this YouTube channel will probably the best hope you have for a long time. And I mean a long time. So first thing you're gonna do is in the description, in our description, Discord server, very good server, just made it 2 days ago. Okay, this is a server we haven't even had. We don't even have a thing for it. It's not even fully done, to be honest. So yeah, we asset rip in here. We do everything. But for this, we're going to be using this spring cleaning. You're just going to click download. It's not a virus. This is spring 22. You're going to do spring cleaning 2023. The media fire. You just click this and it downloads. And then I'll show you exactly what you do. So I think for this one, you're going to need to download WinRAR. You're going to need to download WinRAR, and you just download WinRAR, and then you open this with WinRAR. It's not that big of a download, but soon, when it's downloaded, I don't have a brand new project, so I'm just going to use. But oh, I don't have anything. What's my most worst? Um. Alright, say for example, this game. It's gonna show like the. Okay, wait. First, once you extract it, you're gonna add from disk. Then wherever you extracted it, you're just supposed to click OK, and it's gonna go automatically to downloads. You just open it, and then it's gonna say it should say spring cleaning. Open it, and it's gonna say export a project, or it might just automatically take you, and then open. And it should take a while, but you're going to see this. Not this bright yet. It's going to be something different. To be honest, just to show you it new, I closed it. I'll download you. Nope. Don't click on anything else but the blue little. But yeah. It's okay, now that we're here. Normal, right? Well, things are gonna maybe not work. You're gonna go to console. You're gonna maybe see errors. All you gotta do is click clear and turn on collapse. Collapse just makes it a lot better. So now you're just gonna see the normal Gorilla Tag map. Everything is gonna be weird, maybe. And it's gonna be it's gonna look not as bright. If you want it to switch between day and night, all you have to do is just click stump. And once you're on the stump, you're going to scroll down. You're going to click Gorilla. Here. This Gorilla Cutoff. And you're going to do that on literally everything. You're not select all trees, but you're going to select these little thingies. Turn these to sprites default. But the tree, turn to cutoff. The little wall, cutoff. make sure this blue, where it says new sky, aka the big blue sky, this thing, change that to cut off. Change, actually we don't need the clouds, but yeah, cut off. I think all my stuff in there is cut off. And yes, when you make it cut off, it will look like this. But guess what? It fixes in play modes. Like when you're actually playing the game, it's gonna look normal, like a normal gorilla tag, like just basically normal. I guess you could say it like that. Yeah, see? Normal. Yeah. If you wanted to know, people play this game. People actually play this game. They might not be online right now, but I'm gonna test. As you can see, servers work, and I'll teach you how to do that, because right now your servers don't work. I don't know if I should put it in this video, but I'll definitely make another video on how to do this. Actually, should I not? Okay. You could look up a video on how to add playfab and photon to your gorilla tag copy. I'll make a new video on that, or maybe just add in a little part at the end. Yeah, I'll probably just add a little part. Also, your little wind is gonna be like kind of broken. So in the Discord server, there will be a fixed wind shader, and how you add that is basically you just, from your files, you drag it in like your assets, and now you just click not on that thingy, but the wind, and you're going to drag it where it's like right here. So yeah, that's all fix the wind, and you could like move it, and it's really cool. But yeah, you're obviously in here and you haven't added stuff, so I mean, what do you need to do? What's your game called? You don't know? Well, if you don't know what your game called, then we have a problem. But if you don't know, then if you've never used Unity before, you wouldn't know what this is. But if you have experience with Unity and you're trying to do a Gtag copy instead of maybe a Gtag fan game, there's this little thing. It's called gizmos. You're gonna see your scene, and your scene's obviously gonna be here. And in this little box, at the top right of it, you're gonna see this little circle with like that. And if you click it, you're gonna see like all like the borders and stuff and like that. Don't play with any of that. What you're really gonna do is click right here, and now you can change the text to anything you want. I recommend you use capitals, so you could be like, hello, welcome to Dream Taggers. I don't know, I just made up something random, but yeah, like your game name, and boom. Also, Discord button, it'll be another video. But yeah, when you click on gizmos, that's mainly how you click text. So if you want to change this, you're just gonna click this. That makes it go to Gorilla Tag Code of Conduct, but if you click maybe a little bit lower, it'll go like there. Yeah, also in City, this stuff you can change. Self-checkout, I just keep it there. I don't know. Second floor, yep. So the reason I'm having you do this update is because this update's a really good one, and it works. It's the main thing, it works. But, why is Mosa Speed in here? Uncover Tree Atlas? Why is Mosa Speed in there? Some things we just don't know, and some things we'll never know. But yeah, in this project specifically, most of the face cosmetics are a little bit broken. Is that Uzi? That's really sad. I thought it was Uzi. Hold on, guys.
What's up, guys? Back with another video. Today we're gonna be jerking off Legend. I hope you guys like and subscribe for part 900.
Yo.
Bro, I left this.
Bro, that was not Uzi or me. That was my friend, and I told him. hold on. And I said, okay, fine, you could be in the video. And he just literally did that, bro. Hey, just read the description. You'll read why I said that. I said stuff may happen, bro. Alright, playfab. So once you've watched one of our videos on how to fix your little playfab you got there, your nice little playfab, you're going to find something in your hierarchy. This is called your scene hierarchy. It's really cool. Just like normal. It's just all of your assets that you drag out. So your assets are stored in, like, obviously your assets, but if you drag them out, like say I drag this out, now it's in my hierarchy. Obviously I don't want that. Yeah, we're going to search up PLAYFAB authenticator. We're going to click these little 3 lines and then edit script. Now once we're here, you're going to see all this code. You guys may not know how to code yet. We may teach you guys how to code later. But the main thing you're going to need, you could do this even if you don't know how to code. You're going to see these long things. Say Photon Network, Photon Service, real time. If you don't know what that is, watch a video and you'll figure out what a real time is. You're going to put your real time numbers in there, your app in there, and your title ID in there. Once you've done that, do Control Shift Save. And if you're on a different keyboard, like a mini version of a keyboard, like 60%, I don't know if there's Control. So you're just going to go to File, then click Save All. Anyways, let's minus out of this. What the hell? Oh no, I need to redo. How do I redo? Alright, that should fix the RT. Bro, get out. What is this? What is this? Name mesh floor. Bro, we don't need this. What are you doing? But yeah, once you add that and you add all your names, there's going to be one little thing here. And you're just going to click it. And we're not done building. We're going now to click scene. And if it says 3 players online, that means your servers are working and you're just gonna be good, yeah. But now building it into an APK. You're going to click File, Build Settings, or click Control Shift B. Control Shift B. It's gonna do this little thingy. Also, make sure to Control S. After a while, that means Control Save. This is where a little bit hard parts come in. A little bit, just a little bit. Where you see this, it might be on like that or something. You're going to change texture compression to ASTC, and you're going to change run device to all compatible devices. Now you're going to kick player settings, and you're going to see this. It might say like Gorilla Tag, another Axiom or something. You're just going to change it to your game name, and then version you're going to change it to 1.1. Default icon, I don't care what you make it. But now in other settings, we shouldn't need to do anything because I gave you guys a working project. Now publishing settings. Okay, this is how you actually make it into an APK. Alright, you're going to click Key Store Manager, Key Store, Create New, Anywhere. Then it's going to load up. then you're just gonna click password. You're gonna make a random password. It doesn't have to be like a good password. It's just to approve that like you want to make your game. It literally mine is like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Like I'm not even lying. And then alias or allies or I something. You're literally gonna make it anything. Guys, guess who it is? Hello, hello, hello. I'm doing a YouTube video right now. I'm doing a YouTube video.
Oh, what's up, YouTube? It's me, Crazy Music. Yeah. Hello, I'm Legend.
Bro, someone already said a bad word. Bro, blue comp. I said, okay, you can talk in the video. He said, I want to jerk off Legend. It's wild. Alright, but yeah, guys. So once you create your key store, that's gonna be how you're able to build the game. Then it might automatically load in here. And you're just going to type in the password, and you're gonna have to do this every time you reload into your project. So make sure you remember the password.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be
the key store. You need it if you want to put your game on App
Also,
Lab.
yes, you need to save this if you want to put your game on App Lab, which later video I'll teach you how to do.
I can teach you that.
Yeah, later I'll teach you how to do itch.io. That's really good. Itch.io is pretty good. Or just put it into an APK. Yeah, once you put in your password, you're going to see this little build settings and project settings, like I said. Build settings, you're going to click build. Not build and run, just build. Then it's going to say file name. You're going to think of a name for your game, like I told you guys. So my test one was Dream Taggers. You're just going to type in Dream Taggers, and it's automatically going to have the .apk. Then you're going to click save. Then, depending on your PC, if it's shit or not, my PC...
If it's shit, it takes some more time. Me, the first ever build takes 15 minutes, but the second build on the project probably takes like 2 minutes.
Okay, that never happened for me. Your first build may take long. Also, when you add a lot of new stuff, your build will take longer. In updates, if you only do like, let's say, add like one little thing, easy. That might take
because
the same time.
Scripts don't render, so...
Yeah, scripts don't render, so it's not gonna be like, oh, so big and stuff. But yeah, make sure to check the Discord because it has everything I just showed you guys. And that's gonna be that. That's how you make your very own Gtag copy. Also, me and Uzi may give you guys coding lessons. In some videos. We both recommend what we learned from. It's an app called Solo Learn. It may seem cringy, but it's not. It actually can help you code. We recommend you try to learn C# because that's what Unity uses, and Python is very fun.
I use Python most of the time.
I use Python, and also
I do know C#.
Batch is pretty fun.
Batch is pretty fun. We both know Batch.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. I don't know much C#. I know like 2 things, but I know a lot of Python.
I know a lot of Python. Me too.
I know lots of Python. Not more than Uzi. Uzi's definitely a better coder. It's just, yeah. But yeah, that's how to make it. See you guys later.
Yeah.